Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your writing with CreativeLive detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by exploring CreativeLive's writing courses. Visit the CreativeLive website to browse their extensive library. Use the search function to find specific writing topics that interest you. Consider focusing on courses tailored to your skill level, whether beginner or advanced. Once you find a course, review the instructor's bio and course description. Take note of student reviews and ratings for insights on the course quality. Enroll in the course that resonates most with your writing goals. Prepare a dedicated writing space to enhance your focus during the course. Set aside regular time blocks in your schedule for learning and practice. Take notes while watching the video lessons to reinforce key concepts. Engage with any writing prompts provided in the course materials. Implement the techniques and strategies taught in the lessons into your writing. Seek feedback on your work from peers or writing communities online. Revise your writing based on the feedback received to improve clarity and style. Explore additional resources on CreativeLive, such as webinars and articles. Connect with fellow students or instructors to ask questions and share insights. Consider revisiting courses periodically to deepen your understanding. Regularly practice writing to build and maintain your skills over time. Reflect on your progress and set new writing goals to stay motivated. By following these steps and utilizing CreativeLive effectively, you can significantly enhance your writing skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.